This video tutorial I will explain HTTP request. HTTP request is like asking for a web page on the internet. It is how your computer talks to other computers to get information from websites. Other computers are nothing but servers. Here is a simple way to think about HTTP request. The step 1 is you want information. Let's say you are hungry for pizza. You decide which pizza you want and you need to tell the pizza shop what do you want. The step 2 is you place an order. So you call the pizza shop and say, I want margherita pizza with extra cheese please. The third step is the pizza shop respond. The pizza shop takes your order, makes your pizza, then deliver it to your door. In the online world, HTTP request works the same way. The step 1 is you want the web content, you are on your computer and you want to see the website like www.google.com. The step 2 is you send a request. You send a message which is nothing but HTTP request to the website saying I want to see your home page. The step 3 is the website response. The website's computer get your message, prepares the web page, then send it back to your computer. That is how you get to see web pages, videos, pictures, and all sort of stuffs on the internet. It is like ordering pizza, but for information on the web. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.